Good morning, students. As you know, some questions were already discussed in previous class, and let's discuss other questions. This is Rajiv family. Here you can see they are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. To remain healthy, we can do many things. So the family of Rajiv, what they do? Here you can see Rajiv father. This is the father of Rajiv, and what the father of Rajiv is doing? Here you can see he is working out with dumbbell. Next, Rajiv mother. And what mother is doing? Mother is doing yoga. Yoga is very much essential to remain healthy during this period. Essential to remain fit. Next is Sita. What is Sita doing? She is skipping. She is doing speaking exercise. Speaking is also a good exercise. And next one is grandpa. Rajiv grandpa. What he is doing? He is doing walking. He is walking in a park. Walking is also a good exercise. You should remain healthy during this period. And grandma is drinking milk. Next is this one is Rajiv himself. Running is very much good for our health. And so family of Rajiv is all are doing something to remain healthy. Next है, use the words and or but and make as many sentences as you can about Rajiv family. For example, grandpa and grandma get up early in the morning. Grandpa is walking, but Rajiv is jogging. What will we do? We use and or but and making many sentences as we can. Okay, let's do. Answers are Sita and Rajiv exercise daily in the park. Sita likes skipping, but Rajiv likes to run. Here you can see what we use and or but. Second, father and mother take care of their body. Father is working out with dumbbells, but mother is doing yoga. Okay. Third, grandma and grandpa eat healthy food. Grandma is drinking milk, but grandpa is walking in the park. Okay. These are answers. Next question is, let's play. Fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one more. You can use one word more than once. Okay, here you can see name of the game, what you play with, where you play it, numbers of player, cricket, hockey, table tennis and football. And with the help of these words, you will fill the grid. Here you can see the grid. With the help of these words, we will fill the grid. Let's do. Name of the game, cricket. What you play with, bat ball. Where you play it, ground, in stadium. Number of players, 11. Okay, cricket. Let's again. What you play with bat ball. Where you play it, in stadium. Number of player, 11. Hockey. Hockey, what you play with, stick. And where you play it, in ground. Number of players is, number of player is 16. Next, table tennis. What you play with, okay, go with table. Where you play it, I'm so sorry. Table tennis. What you play with, racket. Where you play it, table. Number of players, 2 to 4. And the next is football. What you play with, football. Where you play it, ground. Number of players, 11. Okay. Next, using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. Cricket is an outdoor game. We play it with a bat and a ball. There are 11 players in this game. We make many sentences with the help of grid. Okay, let's do. Here you can see the answer. Cricket is an outdoor game. We play it with a bat and a ball. There are 11 players in this game. Next, football is an outdoor game. We play it with a football. There are 11 players in this game. Table tennis is an indoor game. We play it on a table with a racket. There are 2 to 4 players in this game. Okay.